I just came back from a run. I'm hungry as let's make some tam. I don't think I've ever cooked here on my YouTube, so bear with me. First, we need the krok and the tam tam. Here's the thing, if you're a chef or if you're Thai and you know how to make professional som tam, do not come at me and say, that's not how you do it. That's not what you put, you're missing an ingredient.
Shut up.
I like it my style, just like you like it your way, okay? You can't come here. No. No. 3 chilies. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna put 2 garlics. You guys might hear my cat meow. That's because she wants a taste of this goodness. I mean, who doesn't? Duh. Here's the garlic, put it here. So now we have the garlic and the chili in there. We're gonna add a little bit of monosodium, just a little bit. And some fish sauce. Where the is fish sauce? Now I go bok bok, bok bok, bok. And you wanna make sure you don't get chili all over your eyes. This one time I was bok-boking, just staring very closely to see if it's really good. The chili went straight into my eye. I became a pirate chef. So don't make that mistake, thank you very much. Okay, so this is how you want it to look, all right? Kind of like smashed, but not completely smashed. Does that make sense? And the aroma smells so good. You wanna add your lime. Squeeze. Sometimes I like to throw in an extra lime for decoration. You'll see later, it looks cute. Now you wanna add tomatoes. I like to add a lot of tomatoes because I love tomatoes. And now you tam tam again. Now you pop 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 again. Pop 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 pop. Sorry. This is how it looks. What do you want? This is how it looks like. I like to add an eggplant in there, so I'm gonna cut this eggplant open. Cut her into pieces. Boom. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut. Here's the thing about som tam is that there's really no rules into how to make it. It's just basically what you like to put in there. Basic ingredients that you have to put is chili, garlic, fish sauce, lime, and this. That's it. The rest is up to you. Some people like to put green beans. Some people like to put shrimp. Some people like to put fresh salmon as their meat choice. Like, it's really up to you what you put. So, this is fermented fish sauce, guys. I recommend Step Mike, like it's so good. Look, I'm almost out of it. There's not much left, so. We shake it at first, we shake it, then we pour it. Now that's not enough, I need more. I ran out of Step Mike, so I'm gonna add this one. This one also is really good. Oh. The amount of pala you put is also up to you. Some people like their som tam watery. Some people like their som tam dry. I kind of like it in the middle, so I don't put too much. It looks like this. Now here's the important part. You want to taste it right now, not when you're putting the papaya in, because if you put the papaya in here without tasting it first and it tastes like it's too late now. You can't do anything about it. So you have to taste it first before you put the papaya in case you need to add anything else. So that's actually really good. So now we put the papaya in. I'm just making this for myself. It's not that much, so I'm gonna put 2 handfuls. Any kind of spoon is fine, but I only have this spoon right now, so because the rest of my spoon are dirty. Dig it from the bottom, pok. Dig it from the bottom, pok. Dig it from the bottom, pok. And you just keep doing that. And now here's the thing, you don't want to pok too hard. You kind of just want to mush it, kind of mix the ingredients together, put the sauce in the papaya, you know what I mean? You don't want to smash the papaya too hard, otherwise you have mushy papaya, which is kind of gross. We are done. อร่อยที่สุดเลย We're gonna have some plain mama noodles right here, and then we're gonna have some fermented pork right here. This is the fermented pork that I like to buy. So it comes in this little plastic thing. We just want to cut it off. Plate her up. My plate is done. I added fried garlic on top, and oh my god, it's so good. Let's feast. Mama noodles, som tam, and fermented pork. Let's eat. Mmm. ชอบมากอร่อยมากเลย Mm. Mm. Eggplant. Ah, it's hot.เขาอยากกินด้วย Fermented pork with mama noodles. I posted this on my story, but in case you haven't seen my story, but do you ever have that feeling where you wake up so motivated to work out? So you get your workout outfit ready, then you drive to the location, and then when you reach the location, you don't want to work out anymore. Because that's how I felt this morning. And so once I reached the location, I was like, I'm already here. I drove all the way here. But I ended up running anyways. And I came upon not one monitor lizard, but 3, which was very odd because I was like, must be the raining season. And I'm like, thank God it didn't rain today. And guess what? 2 minutes later, it rained. And I came home and I was so hungry for somtam, so here we are. When I was young, I always saw my mom make somtam, and I always told myself that like, I really want to learn somtam. And trust me, my mom has made so many good Thai food, but the only Thai food that I actually wanted to learn how to make was somtam. So, she taught me how to make somtam when I was like, I think I was like 14. And from then on, and she's taught me how to make other Thai food as well. But the only food that I remember how to make was somtam, because I love it so much. I used to eat somtam pupala, which is somtam with fermented sauce and crabs. But I didn't like the crabs sometimes. Some crabs, I feel like depends where you buy it, but like some crabs have a very like river taste, which is kind of gross. And then some crabs are really yummy. So I just kind of gave up on that and I was like, you know what, I don't want to do that anymore. This is my favorite. I could have like a million of these and they're dangerous. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, so spicy. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys want me to eat next. Bye. Let me try one more. One more. Enough. Bye.